And then there was trouble.
Uh-oh.
Thomas and James, I am giving you both a yellow card.
A yellow card? What does that mean, sir?
It is a warning. I asked you to work together today, but instead you competed against one another. One more mistake today, and it's a red card for both of you. In a game of soccer, a red card means you're sent off. You are out of the game.
We don't want to be, out of the game, sir.
Quite. After the match, you must work together to take everyone home, regardless of what side they are on, red or blue.
Or green.
Thomas, you know this whole reds versus blues thing?
Yes. Sorry about that, James. We should have been working together.
Yes. It's better when we work towards the same goal.
Oh!
Can we have our ball back, please?
Well, hello. The Earl of Sodor here. You know, Sodor is such an exciting place. There are so many wonderful things to see. But just how closely are you watching? Very closely, I hope, because I'll be asking questions about what you've seen. Thomas has lost his puff. Paxton is trying to find it for him. But Stephen's not so sure that Paxton has found it up in the sky. Are you ready for the first question? What did Paxton see in the sky? Was it a cloud? Was it a feather? Or was it a sheep? Yes! Paxton thought Thomas's lost puff was a cloud, which did surprise Stephen. But Paxton realized his mistake and carried on looking. Did you get it right? Oh, very well done. Let's play again. Thomas is a bright blue tank engine. James is very proud of his shiny red paint. And Charlie, well, Charlie is my favorite color, purple. But what color is Henry? Is Henry blue? Is he red? Or is he green? That's right! Henry is the same color as the grass, or Dowager Hat's outfit. Yes, Henry is green. Did you get it right? Oh, very well done. Let's play again. Percy is in a hurry today. He's rushing along the tracks, but he's not looking where he's going. Oh, dear, Percy. Now you have very sticky wheels. What did Percy run over that made his wheels so sticky? Did he run over some Jell-O? Some pumpkins? Or some cake?
Oh, no! Pumpkins on the line!
That's right! He ran over some pumpkins. You'll need to go to the washdown to get rid of that sticky mess, Percy. Did you get it right? Jolly well done. I think you deserve a really useful certificate for watching so closely. And I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
Slow Steve.